Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Come get cozy and decorate with me for autumn. I've got some warm seasonal updates to share with you, so let's get started. To share with you this amazing cleaning product called Perdian Fig, and I can't wait to try it. I love that it's non-toxin and safe to use around my house. They include a full-size fir and peppermint essential oils as a welcome gift, which smells so fresh. So I've got the starter kit and I'm really excited to really use this. You can really smell the essential oils coming through the box. What I like to do first is smell all the essential oils to see which one I love, but I know I have to choose one, but I'm really loving the scent Giranum and Ilang Ilang. I am not sure if I'm really saying that correctly, but this scent is a really nice warm and woody scent and it smells absolutely amazing. So all you need to do is add half the essential oils inside the bottle, or you can add the whole thing in, but usually I like to put half of it just so I can save it till next time. And just add water and fill it to the top, and there you go, you're all set and ready to clean. I highly recommend this because it smells so fresh. Now it's time to add the autumn decor and bring in all the cozy vibes. So that's my coffee table all set and ready. I just love how cozy it looks. So now onto the couch. These cushions is from B&M from last year's and it still adds such a nice touch to it. Up this wooden bowl from the range and I absolutely love it. It really gives a nice warm and cozy feel and it looks so nice paired with my orange blossom scent, and oh my god guys, it smells amazing. kitchen. This is one of my favourite areas to decorate for autumn. I usually like to add my decor in the corner because it creates such a warm and cozy little spot that instantly makes the kitchen feel more inviting. I'm also loving my new pumpkin tea towels from B&M. They are the perfect autumn touch. These candles are from last year that I haven't finished because I bought so many, but this year I've just kept it simple, just one candle and my LED lights, keeping things cozy without overdoing it. And adding these beige pumpkins and the base I've had for ages. The old decor never gets old and never gets out of style. And there you have it guys, my autumn decor all ready and cozy. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration to add to your own decor. If you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.